folks. Today is Adventures in Home Shops with kids. It's not a kids channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I have all kinds of videos. If you're my latest 2 subscribers, thanks for watching. If you're my latest 20 subscribers, thanks for watching. If you're one of my first ones, thank you. You're all awesome. I appreciate somebody watching this channel, which I never thought anybody even watch. Like, do I really have anything to offer? I don't know. I just like doing stuff. I mean, even if I'm not Mr. Beast or one of these things, you know what? I'm still having fun, and I like doing what I'm doing, and it's fun to share it with you folks. So you know what? I get to share it with somebody. I get some feedback. A lot of people don't comment. I noticed my watch hours went up in the last couple of days, so it means I got a few new people watching. My latest thing I got, I'm going to test out, is this. It's a specialist penetrant. I don't know if it works. I really don't like this spray thing. This, I can see myself just destroying. I don't know, because how many times I tear these things off? In fact, I just went on Amazon and bought a whole bunch of these little nozzles, like $5 for about 50 of them. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. Does it go? Maybe it sprays like that. I like that. Oh yeah, look. Flip straw for pinpoint stream or down for wide angle spray. Wide angle? Can I go like this? No. Anyway, I'm gonna test this out on some bolts. See what happens. That's the only thing I really got new. I have a crazy rant about coffee cups coming up, or I might have already posted it. I just need one more coffee cup. It's just one of those random things that I'm like, you know what? I'm sick of this shit. I want to make a video of it and rant, and maybe it'll go viral and I'll get 100 views in 5 minutes. What else? I think that's it for. Oh, and I picked up these. Around here we have what are these? Not Philip. These are the square bits in Canada. I know what you call them. All of a sudden, I have a brain for it. Can't figure out. I got I don't know why one's red and one's longer. I have a shorter one or something. Around here in the Canuck part of the world, we use, where is it? About 3 of them. Where'd they go? Oh, they come over. Maybe it's in the bag still. Still in the bag? There it is. I bought a short one. Come on, it's there. Come on. Bought a short one, but basically I bought these ones because I'm doing electrical and it's easier to get in the back of the box. The problem I have is the name brand ones. Like I seriously don't buy DeWalt and Milwaukee ones because they suck. Honestly, I've stripped the hell out of the magnetic tube. Ooh, look at that. That one's, so anyway, that one's nice and magnetic. I bought a Milwaukee brand one. It was the worst one ever. I think I did like 3 screws. A couple of years ago, there was a place around here called Marcel, and they had these little short ones, and they were like $1.50 each. And I remember telling the guy, "Can I buy the whole box?" Whatever. I said, "I want to buy a whole box. I'm sick of buying one at a time." I paid like $300 for a giant box. I still have them, and I swear they're the best square bits on the planet. Like, you can do half your house before you use another one. I still have probably 30 or 40 left in that little box, but I keep buying these expensive ones, and they last like all of what 12 seconds, and then you just shred them. So eventually I'll find a good one. Anyway, I'm gonna skedaddle out of here, say goodbye to you. We're all both gonna be like, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.